Hi, in this video I will show how to set up Python environment and use command prompt for Python programming. Let's open command prompt. To open the command prompt you can find in the Windows Start menu or simply search CMD keyword. Next enter the command Python to see if your computer has been installed with Python. If not, Windows will suggest you to download the program first. You will be taken to the Microsoft Store, and you can search for the desired version of Python. For example, the desired Python version is version 3.8. Type keyword Python 3.8. Select the available ones and press the Get button to install. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, go back to the command prompt. Retest whether Python has been successfully installed. If successful, you will see the Python version and be taken to the Python console. Now your computer is ready to start Python programming. Test Python console by printing hello. Next, try to import the package you want to use. For example, import BS4 to use the Beautiful Soup 4 package. However, the package is not yet available. So you exit the Python console first by typing the exit command. Now you are outside the Python console. To install a Python package, for example Beautiful Soup 4, you must use the pip install command. Commands outside the Python console should start with py, followed by -m pip install in the package to be installed, that is Beautiful Soup 4. The package will be installed on your computer. Repeat the previous steps to install another package. To start Python programming you need to log into the Python console by typing Python. Now you can test the package that was installed earlier by typing import, followed by the package name which is BS4. Now there seems to be no error message, and you can proceed with the programming. As a demonstration, I show an example of using the Beautiful Soup package to read data from a website. That's all my video this time. Hope this video was useful to you. Happy programming!